Hello students, welcome to you all Tagore Public School Digital class. Today we will learn class 8 unit 2 poem geography lesson. Students, can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion like a geometric design, it would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here the poem Zulfikar goes describe of such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. So first we will read the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers run and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly enlightened when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. It is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. So let's see the summary, children. In the first stanza, the poet describes the scene of the city from the aeroplane, which is flying high in the sky. He says that it became clear to him why the city developed according to the necessity of the people and not as per proper planning. When the poet looked at the city from the sky, it seemed unplanned and organized. It does not have any particular style or a design. When the poet flew at a height of 10,000 feet above the ground, he found out the cities are located near the rivers. Since people prefer to stay near the valleys, he clearly understood the logic of geography. Okay, children? And got to know that people settle on those land where water is easily available. The basic necessity of the human life is water, and it requires for various important activity such as agriculture, business, etc. When the plane reached the height of 6 miles, the earth looks round. The poet found that earth has more water than land. He understood the reason because the earth has more number of seas than lands. However, one thing the poet could not figure out was why the people on the earth hate each other. They have built wall of hate across the city to kill each other.